The blockchain industry is loaded with opportunities. Anyone can jump on this tech trend, get in early, potentially make some money. You might be wondering, though, since the whole industry is starting to get a bit saturated, are there any other jobs or businesses out there that can make good money? Yeah, there are. And it's not just some easy investment scheme. It's based on the skills I teach on this channel. Plus, I'm a blockchain developer working in the field every day. I'm gonna walk you through 5 pretty cool blockchain career paths. Hi, crypto isn't just for programmers. I'm Jita. On this channel, I'll help you go from a beginner to a Web3 professional. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give me a like. If you want to stay in the Web3 market long term, the best way is to improve your skills and become a Web3 app developer. Head over to our homepage. I'll guide you step by step. Let's first talk about some basic economics. If you've ever chatted with people who got rich through hard work, they'd probably tell you that high income isn't just about working hard. Even though hard work is important, real high income comes from the value of the work you do. Simply put, how long you work isn't what determines your income, it's all about the value you bring. The more value you provide, the more money you'll make. For example, if you work 10 hours at a fast food place, it can be really tough, but you don't make much money from it because the value of this kind of work is pretty low. In contrast, you talk to a lawyer for an hour about how to avoid a major issue. They can easily charge you between $300 and $500 because their time and expertise are super valuable. They can help you avoid some serious losses. You're willing to pay for that. There are plenty of opportunities in the blockchain space where you can add a lot of value in a short time. For instance, becoming a blockchain developer is really valuable, since you can develop apps and not everyone can handle that role. Plus, AI can't fully take over either. There are also other high-value niches in the blockchain space apart from development. Like, take security auditing for example, it's a super valuable skill because it can help protocols dodge potential losses in the millions, billions, or even tens of billions. But today, I want to talk about another opportunity. It could really pay off for you. But let me be clear. I'm not talking about getting rich overnight or making $1 million in just a few weeks or months unless you've got some serious talent. Otherwise, this whole process could take years. But compared to jobs that might take 10 years or even longer to make $1 million, this is pretty fast. So, what's this opportunity? To become a blockchain analyst. You might be wondering, what does that even mean? In simple terms, a blockchain analyst is someone who can make sense of all the seemingly unrelated data on the blockchain, find meaningful connections within the data, and turn that into valuable insights to share with others. The key here is valuable, because these insights can really help people out. They'll pay big bucks for it, like for security audits. That's a really valuable skill because it can help protocols avoid potential losses in the millions, billions, or even tens of billions. For example, you can analyze blockchain data and spot a great investment opportunity with high returns. Investors would be more than willing to put down a lot of money for it. Also, if you can track down someone who's stolen money, you help recover millions or even tens of millions of dollars that hackers have stolen. You could score some serious rewards like a bonus of up to 10. Those are just a few examples. I'll explain this in more detail later. But first, let's talk about why blockchain analysis is super valuable. Why most people can't pull it off. Why it's such a tough skill to master. If you can learn these skills, it'd really add a lot of value for others. Base. Blockchain is just a digital ledger for transactions. If you take a look at the blockchain, whether it's through a block explorer, as a developer, when you directly access the blockchain node, all you really see is a bunch of blocks and transactions. Show the flow of funds from one account to another, or your interactions with smart contracts. That's about it. Info you can get is pretty limited. You can check your wallet balance and track where your money's going. But it's not like traditional databases where you can easily find answers with complex queries. So, you get good at blockchain analysis. You'll be able to tackle these complex issues and make some serious money out of it. You can make money with these skills in a couple of ways. First off, you can offer services to help clients with their blockchain analysis tasks and give them valuable insights. The other option is, if you have a tech background or can hire some tech people, you can create software that helps clients access information they can't get directly from the blockchain. Let's dive into some specific areas of blockchain analysis and see which ones can really help you make big bucks. The first thing is anti-money laundering (AML) and compliance. This is definitely a moneymaker. Many blockchain projects ask users to verify their identities to make sure their customers aren't involved in any illegal activities. Blockchain analytics can help track wallets and transactions and spot any suspicious activity. If you can help these projects identify and prevent illegal actions, That would be great. The rewards are really good. The second thing is fraud detection and prevention. By analyzing transaction patterns on the blockchain, you can spot fraud and track down the related entities to take action. This also includes dealing with hacker attacks. If a project gets hacked and loses millions or even billions, you can help trace the attack back and get the money back. You could score a big payday, like tracking down stolen assets or keeping an eye on dark web transactions. If you can help track down those illegal activities and recover the assets, you could get a nice payout. By using blockchain analysis, you can find profitable investment opportunities. Investors are ready to pay big bucks for that. In places like Europe and America, a lot of people use blockchain and end up with multiple wallets across different apps and transactions. When it comes time to do their taxes, it can get pretty complicated. If you can help them quickly sort out their transaction records, that would be a huge help. Accurate tax reporting makes people willing to pay top dollar. In short, blockchain analysis is a valuable skill that can really pay off. If you're interested in this skill, feel free to drop a comment. I'll dive into how to learn it in my upcoming videos. If you want to learn about developing on the Solana chain and the EVM chain, make sure to follow our channel for more related content. If you'd like to join our community, you can visit our website, where you'll find a link to join our Discord server. See you there.